In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a professional Etsy shop icon or logo in less than 5 minutes. It's simpler than you might think, and with the right tools, you can create a stunning logo that reflects your brand. Let's dive in. First, choosing the right tool is essential. The good news is there are several free options available that are both user-friendly and powerful. Canva is a fantastic place to start with its extensive range of templates and easy drag and drop features. Alternatively, you could try tools like Photor or Adobe Express, which are simple to use and ideal for quick logo creation. For those interested in automatic generation, Luca and Hatchful by Shopify utilize artificial intelligence to help design logos. Once you have your tool of choice ready, it's time to pick a style for your logo. Consider what aligns best with your brand. A minimalist style is perfect if you're selling jewelry or digital prints, focusing on clean fonts and simple icons. For handmade goods, a handmade or crafty style might suit better with script fonts and soft colors. If your shop is all about fashion or tech accessories, go for a bold and modern style with strong shapes and high contrast to make a striking impression. Now let's customize your design. Open the tool you selected and choose a logo or square design template, typically 500 by 500 pixels. Start by adding your shop name, ensuring it's short and legible. Next, select a font that complements your brand identity. Serif fonts often convey elegance, sans serif is more modern, and script fonts add a personal touch. An important part of your logo is the icon or graphic you choose. This should reflect the niche of your business. For instance, if you're into sewing, a small pair of scissors could be perfect. Use a leaf symbol if your shop is eco-friendly, or a diamond for a jewelry business. Remember to adjust your colors. Stick to 1 or 2 brand colors to maintain a clean and cohesive look. When you're satisfied with your design, it's time to download and upload your logo to Etsy. Export your design as a high-quality PNG file to ensure it looks great online. Then visit your Etsy account and navigate to the Shop Manager. From there, head over to Settings, followed by Info and Appearance. Under the Shop Icon section, simply upload your prepared logo, making sure it's the correct size of 500 by 500 pixels. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've created a professional Etsy shop icon that effectively communicates your brand. I hope you found this guide helpful. Good luck with your Etsy shop, and thanks for watching.